Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Sheets file and selecting the Sheet tab you will change. Once the sheet is active, decide if you need to resize rows, columns, or the printable page. This choice determines the tools you use. Next, click the row or column header to highlight a single row or column, or drag to select multiple. Make sure to keep data alignment in mind when selecting. Otherwise, resizing can disrupt formulas or visual layout. You now perform the actual resizing. Right-click a selected header and choose Resize Rows or Resize Columns, because that gives precise control. Enter a pixel value for exact sizing, or select Fit to Data to let Sheets determine the proper height or width automatically. This helps when cells vary in content. Once done, you can also click and drag the boundary between headers for a quicker visual adjustment. Make sure to preview how wrapped text, and you finish by adjusting page size for printing or export. Go to File, then Print, because that opens page setup options. Choose paper size, orientation, and use scale, such as fit to width, to control how the sheet maps to the page. Preview the result. Make sure row heights and column widths look correct, and apply changes. If things go wrong, check for merged cells, hidden rows, or frozen panes. Those are common culprits that interfere with sizing and layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.